Hey friends, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can make more money this fall with Etsy and print on demand. And you guys might be thinking, Jenny, what are you thinking? It's July, we're trying to enjoy the summer months. But it is important to me to list my items in my Etsy shop 3 months in advance to a holiday or a season. I call it the 90-day rule. Which is why today I'm going to show you a Halloween product that can take your sales to another level in your Etsy shop this fall season. Now, of course, we know that t-shirts and sweatshirts are huge sellers during the Halloween season. I remember my first year with Etsy and print on demand, I could not believe my eyes when the sales were coming in for these products. It really showed me that Etsy and print on demand could be life-changing, so I get really excited when this time comes. Over the past few years, I have taken my best-selling designs from my t-shirts and my sweatshirts and I have applied them to other products, and those products have started to sell as well. This year, I foresee tote bags being a huge seller, especially if you add a personalized twist to it. Now, a lot of times people will say, well, you always preach like not to list a product unless you know that it's in demand. While that's true, I think it's best to play both sides of the game. So yes, most of your products in your Etsy shops should be heavily researched and should be products or niches that are definitely already selling in the market, so you know that you have a high chance that people will want your product too, right? But it's also important to get ahead of the trends sometimes and be one of the first people in on a trend. So if you get in on something like personalized tote bags before other Etsy sellers get on it, you have a chance of dominating in that niche before other people get on it. Of course, there's a chance that it might not take off, but I'm willing to take the risk. Now, if you're selling a product that isn't heavily in demand, it's also equally important to add a niche or an aesthetic that is in demand. So we're going to be talking about making a personalized tote bag today, and I'm going to put a retro twist to it because retro is always in demand. It's basically an evergreen aesthetic, I would say. Enough blah blah blahing. We are going to jump into my computer. I'm going to show you where you can get these tote bags and how to design for a personalized tote bag to sell in your Etsy shops this fall. Here we are in Printify. If you have not signed up for them yet, you can do so for free in my description below. But I'm going to show you over here on the toolbar. We're going to go to the catalog section and I'm going to come over and find tote bags. So it's $6.98. Now this is with Printify Premium. I use Printify Premium. It's like $24.99 a month. You can try out Printify Premium for free the first month using code Jenny in all caps. But so it's $6.98. That's not bad at all for a nice quality tote bag. And the shipping is going to be around $4.29. So I'm going to take you into Canva right now and we're going to make a design for our Halloween tote bag. Now I'm in Canva with my 5,000 by 5,000 canvas to ensure a really great print quality. I can come over here to elements and we can type in Halloween or fall, any keywords that involve, we could even type in trick-or-treating. Let's see all. Now again with Canva, you can't just take one element and put it on a product and sell it. You have to combine elements, add text to make it your own design and your own intellectual property. You could also use a site like Creative Fabrica, that's what we're on right now. They offer hundreds and thousands of graphics that can be used on print-on-demand products. However, just like Canva, you can't be taking a design, putting it on a product, and just selling it. You have to tweak your products heavily so that they are your own intellectual property. Etsy is even going to start cracking down on this. They want to make sure that you are the creator of your designs. It's going to be okay to combine elements, combine graphics, add text, change the colorings if you want, but you cannot just take like this design right here and place it on a shirt or a tote bag and sell it. So please be careful with that because that is an easy way to get your shop flagged. So we're just gonna browse. I like to take a look at Canva's elements. I like to take a look at Creative Fabrica's elements to see if I can, combine ones from Creative Fabrica and ones from Canva if I want to. I really like this one right here. It's adorable, and I have thoughts to add trick or treat on it, maybe the year, and then also an option to put the child's name. So I'm going to go ahead and download this. By the way, I have 10 free downloads in the description below for Creative Fabrica if you want to give this site a try. So now I'm back in Canva, and I'm going to upload that Creative Fabrica design to my 5,000 by 5,000 canvas. So we go to uploads right here. All right, and here is my design. I'm going to stretch it out a bit. And I'm going to come over and add some text. I can use any of these if I want to, or I can just add a text box and use my own font. So trick or treat. And I'm going to come up here and change my font. I kind of like that. That kind of fits the vibe. I can add another text box, and maybe I'll put 2024. Halloween 2024. And then up at the top, I'm going to give the option for personalization. So we would add another text box, and I'm just going to add a name. So maybe like Paisley. I'm going to keep it that font. I'm going to change the font of this one, I think. Yeah. Okay, and then let's see. I think I might change the color of this. So the cool thing about Canva is it pulls the colors from the design, so I can change it to the same orange that's in the pumpkins. Yeah, I kind of like that. I can also click on this and come up to edit image. And there's various things you can do to change an image to make it even more different and your own intellectual property. I like a simple way to switch a picture or an image or a graphic is to go to duotone, and you can easily like change the all the coloring at once of this. So like we could go like that. I'm not going to do that for this. I'm just showing you like how easy you can change the coloring of an image. So that's kind of cool. I think that's pretty good for time purposes for this video. You could also erase some elements if you want. Like if you thought the bats were too much, you would click on this, go to edit image, and go to magic eraser, and then we could go in and erase certain things. But I think the bats are cute. I'm just showing you more ways of changing your design. So we're gonna go back here, and then I'm going to save this. We're going to download. And you want it as a PNG and a transparent background so that this white box doesn't appear behind it. So then we're going to click download, and now in Printify I can click start designing, and I'm going to upload my image, and I'm going to make this bigger. All right, I'm gonna preview this because this writing might be too light for being printed onto the tote bag. So let me just see preview. You have to be careful because customers might be like, it's faded, it's too faded, or it's not as vibrant as it was in the mock-up photo. But here it looks pretty good in the preview. That looks really cute. I love the retro style to this. And we can see it on a model. And there it is on a model. All right, and there we have it. I think it's super cute. Then we would save our product and publish it to Etsy or Shopify or whichever platform you choose to sell your print-on-demand products on. Now, if you have difficulty listing personalized listings on Etsy, be sure to check out my YouTube video all about how to list personalized items on Etsy. I will link that in the description below, but it'll show you that step-by-step what to do. It's for t-shirts, but it'll be the same exact process if you wanted to do personalized tote bags as well. And also, if you are completely new to Etsy and print on demand, go ahead and download my free print on demand to freedom course in my description below. It will take you step by step through the process of signing up on Etsy, signing up on Printify, syncing the two, getting those first listings up, and so much more. So now you know how to design for a personalized tote bag. I think this product turned out really cute. I would be using this for my own children. I think it's going to be a hit this Halloween season. I hope that this video helped you. If it did, please give me a like and subscribe for more print-on-demand content. And so that I know that you watch this video all the way till the end, tell me what your favorite part of the fall season is. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.